Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taslim here, and in today's video I am going to show you how I trim my own hair. First thing first guys, I am not a professional and this is not my first time trimming my own hair. I trim my hair once every year and I always go to the professionals, but when I can't, I always do the trimming myself. Now last year in 2019, I did not get a chance to go get a trim, and all of my split ends traveled up on the length of my hair, and that caused my ends to be brittle, weak, causing breakage and knots. My hair feels rough, you guys, and I'm highly overdue for a trim. So here I am trimming my own hair, guys. Quarantine made me do it, but once this virus lifts off, I will be ready to get a professional trim. But until then, these damaged ends need to go now. By the way, I wasn't planning on filming this video, but I was like, what the heck, I might as well as just film it, you know. So the first two sections I'm working on are already done, so I'm going to start on another section. So if you're still interested on how I kept my own curly hair, then keep on watching. All right guys, so as you can see, I've sectioned off my hair and I'm showing you all the damaged ends, and one needs to be cut off. And yeah guys, my hair may look healthy to you, but to me it's not. Every hair strand you see on my hair is suffering from damaged split ends. So what I'm doing right now is I'm spraying the hair section down with a spray bottle, and inside I have a leave-in detangler mixed with water, so it's easier for me to detangle. Two big main things I always look for when I'm trimming my hair. One is the split ends itself, of course, and two, the roughness on my ends. What I mean is, as I'm brushing through the hair, I'm looking to feel the roughness of the split ends or the damaged ends. As soon as I come in contact with it, as I'm brushing down my hair, that's where I stop, because that's my snipping point. So once I find that snipping point, I just go ahead and trim off my ends from there. Once I'm done with that section, I move to the opposite side, and again I section off my hair and spray it down, and then detangle with my bristle brush. I'm looking for the split ends, and I'm also looking to feel the roughness on the ends of my hair. As soon as I find the roughness with my brush, that is going to be my snipping point. I really hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here, because I don't have any other way to explain it. Basically what I'm saying is I'm looking for the damaged end. From the roots going down, you want to look for the starting point of the damaged ends, and that's where you will cut from. Maybe this is a better explanation, I don't know, but I hope it helps. Anyways, as you can see, I am cutting off a lot of hair, and that's because the split ends had traveled really far within 1 year with no trim and from very low maintenance. I'm actually trimming off like 3 to 5 inches off. That's my guess, but I really wish I had filmed the before clip, that way you guys could see the before length that I had. Again, I wasn't planning on filming this video. My hair passed my waistline, so it was touching my butt. So once I'm done with that hair section, I'm going to detangle my hair and make sure my hair is nice and smooth and there's no roughness to it. Then I'm going to bring the two hair sections together so that I can measure and trim them evenly. We don't want to have one side looking longer and the other one looking shorter, you know what I mean? Again, I'm looking for any roughness and split ends I might have missed. And once I see that both sides are good to go, once I see that there's no roughness, the ends are very moisturized, it's soft, then I'm going to move on to a new hair section, and I'm actually gonna go do that, but this time I'm going to speed up the video. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
feels rough, and I can see split ends everywhere. It's nasty. Like, look at that. Those are split ends.
The highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number.
Alright guys, so here I am with the final look after trimming off my split ends. My hair finally feels really soft. I don't feel the roughness anymore. Like, my ends are thick and they look juicy and healthy. I am so happy I did this, and I'll probably give it like 3 months, then I'll go get a professional trim along with some new layers so that my hair can have a nice shape to it. If you guys loved this video, if you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and or share. Also, type in the comment below, write down how are you handling your natural curly hair in quarantine. But other than that, take care, stay safe, most importantly, stay home. Bye guys.